Option in the OpenAI block has been deprecated. It means it has been removed from typebot. It means that your bot will still work with that message sequence option, but now for new typebots or for when you update your typebot, you won't be able to select message sequence in the messages section of the OpenAI block settings. But now, as you can see, and also if you duplicate the basic ChatGPT template from typebot, you'll see that now we are using a new option, which is called dialogue, which is more flexible and also less magical. That has been an issue with the message sequence option before. People didn't understand how it worked under the hood, and it was too magical. So I've reverted to something more, grounded. So the idea is that you can now provide a list variable that you could call chat history, and you just have to say if this list is starting with a user message or an assistant message. And the idea, so if we take this sequentially, here is what happens. So we display those two bubbles. Then we collect a variable called user message, and what we do is appending user message in chat history. So that's also a new option in the set variable block. That's append values. It means that you can now concatenate, you can append new values to a list, and if the variable is empty or if it's not a list, it will automatically convert it to a list. So here we declare the chat history variable and we say, okay, we want to append the user message variable to chat history. That's exactly what's happening here. And then, okay, we create a chat completion, and so we give it we give it the chat history dialogue variable, and right now the chat history variable only contains the user message, and we say, of course, it starts with a user message, and then we want to save the message content in a new variable called assistant message right here. So we set the assistant message, and what we do right away is appending the assistant message in chat history, and then we just have to display the assistant message. And we're in a loop here where we are appending messages into a variable called from the message sequence option to the dialog option. And yeah, let me know if you struggle with any problem in the comments.